Good as it gets?
Oh man. Good as it gets, yes. Newmibia. Good as your longest barrel you've ever had. Yes, for the size. Absolutely, as good as it gets, dude. It's roller edge, dude. We used to draw them in our school books.
Agreed.
Totally.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Currently, Cape Hatteras is being worked by Winter Storm Riley with 45 to 55 mile-an-hour winds. I noticed that Daniel Pullen was out taking photos and saw that there's surfable waves in the Sound right by the highway. I've always wanted to get a shot surfing one of those waves, so I'm gonna go pick him up. We're gonna go try and get a photo and see if we can get something cool. Before we head out, let me show you how windy it is outside. This is what it's like inside. And this is what it's like outside. Let's go pick up Daniel, get to it. Look at this guy, he's already changed. He's ready to go. Dreams of surfing in the Sound?
Yeah. Oh, I dreamed about like...
So where's the spot? Up
behind the school, yeah, you just pull up here, like in this...
All right, I'm gonna grab my suit. Oh my...
Yeah, good luck.
Oh my God. Carrying that board is gonna be so hard. You ready?
Yeah, let me get out.
Well, did we get the shot?
We got the shot.
That was a first for me. A lot of times you do stuff just to get a photo, not because it's really like that sick. That was funny, but well, hopefully we got the job done. All right, time to go drink more coffee and hang out the rest of the day. Dropping Daniel off. Got the job done. Thanks, dude.
Pound. See ya.
Teamwork, later, man. Now I'm gonna run by the car wash because my truck is covered in salt. And then go home, pick up the family, hang out with them for the day, because the next week is full of swell from Winter Storm Riley, and it's gonna be a busy one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It isn't one of those moments where you come around the corner and are freaking out yet. I'm gonna just sit here, drink my coffee, put some eyes on. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, okay. All right, it's pretty good. Oh, it gets a little deep through there. No, it doesn't. Oh my gosh. Let's get Jeffrey on the phone. He's on his way here. Let's get him excited.
Yo.
Oh man. It's pretty good.
Word, I'm like coming into Avon in 1 minute, so I'll see you in 5.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna get a board ready and get excited. Bye. The last couple sets were pretty bombing, so it's picking up quick, it seems like. And it's supposed to be massive by later, and I'm gonna go try and get one now while it's still manageable size, because who knows how long that'll last for. So this might be our window. See if we can pull it off. That was a bust. There's some really good waves coming in. But there's just too much current. It's getting pretty out of control now. And yeah, I didn't even catch a wave. That's just how it goes sometimes. I rolled the dice and lost. Can't win them all. I still feel like there might be some potential for low tide, but I'm working on a backup plan B now. As soon as I get finished packing, tell y'all where we're going. Just a minute. It's official. We're going to New Jersey. It was firing up there today, and talked to some of the boys. It looks like it's gonna be bigger tomorrow. Time to drive 9 hours through the night. Got some water on the road. High tide, the buoys just went up to 20 feet, 15 seconds, and it appears that the dune in Avon is washed out. Made it just to S-turns. Jeffrey just ran into some of the guys in the rescue squad, I think, and apparently up ahead is pretty bad. I'm just gonna slow down preemptively in case, but I don't see any water yet.
There's a huge wave coming. I can see.
Here, come up where I am then, or stay back. Are you by where the dune's compromised, or are you good right now?
I'm pretty good.
Thought we were good. We're not good. That's deep, and we got like a half mile before.
Yeah, this looks pretty gnarly.
I've never seen it like this, man. I'm gonna try. Lord, just don't let anything bad happen. I'm basically driving in the ocean right now. This is probably my least favorite thing ever. There's the telephone pole. It should be going uphill from here. I've never driven through this much water. It better be good tomorrow. That's a wave. What's crazy is that's not even as deep as what I just went through, so whatever. Oh, there's some wood. That's the danger. Oh, we made it. We made it. Are y'all closing the road?
What do you mean?
No one without at least a four-wheel drive car should drive through there. Right. You can finally breathe. That was the gnarliest drive I've ever done off of this island. It was like 2 feet of water. At one point, Jeffrey and I had to stop because a wave came over and was washing down the road on top of the 2 feet of water. All right, onward to Jersey. Robbie Vallad, I'm coming for you. You're driving next. Oh.
Cloistered in injustice.
I'm absolutely whooped. That was a very, very long day, especially considering we drove overnight to make it happen. And I got up at 5 a.m. yesterday and surfed the lighthouse and got pounded. It's been a long 48 hours. Man, that was crazy. That sandbar is just phenomenal. And when it's that perfect and square barrels like that, I mean, the fun factor was just through the roof. And like all the boys on the beach, from the locals to the guys from out of town, were just frothing. It was super cool. And got my fill here, caught the longest barrel of my life, 15-second 3-foot barrel. And yeah, going home content. I don't even need tomorrow. I am psyched, just out of my mind. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed that whole adventure, from the sound session to the lighthouse denial to the overnight to Jersey and scoring. And you know, that's just what it's all about. The adventure and making the most out of whatever situation you have. And this swell's still going. We got days and days left. So stay tuned for part 2. And in the meantime, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and join in for the ride. See you guys later.